If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Chima Okpalaeziokwu as Anambra the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Chima Okpalaeziokwu. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Okay, so please,
Yeah, I'm Mazi Chima Okpalaeziokwu. I'm the president of Ohanaeze Ndigbo Anambra State.
Okay. Since you're the president of Ohanaeze Ndigbo Anambra State, can you go with the arrest of former youth president of Ohanaeze Ndigbo na Ebonyi State? Okay, it has to do with Ebonyi State, but was taken from Owerri. It was first perceived as an abduction, but later the police released a statement about it. Now, yes, no, which now MSA were contradicting, statements from both the police and the governor of Ebonyi State. Can you stand on that issue?
Yes, I want to state categorically that Ibayaka or Ibayaka is not the leader of Ohanaeze Ndigbo.
Okay.
He's an impostor. He was never elected anywhere by anybody.
Okay.
He's an impersonator. He's impersonating the office.
Okay.
Am I communicating?
Yeah, you are.
They are just propagating that he was abducted. They knew he was arrested.
Okay.
They knew he was arrested for reasons best known to the police, but I am certain that he knew, his cohorts knew that he was arrested and not abducted.
Okay.
So let them not be escalating what did not happen as if it happened. And my position on it is, whatever reason for which he was arrested should be treated in tandem with law and order.
Okay.
There should be no intimidation. If he has been found wanting by the provisions of the law, let him be treated according to the provisions of the law.
Okay.
And that is my position. I want to re-emphasize, Ibayaka or Ibayaka was never, is not. I don't know if he will be. He is not, he has never been the leader of Ohanaeze Ndigbo.
Okay, let's now come over to what transpired in the court last time during the trial of Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
How do you see the trial?
It is obvious that the Nigerian judiciary do not have any charge against him.
Okay.
Else they should have convicted Nnamdi Kanu. And as a chieftain of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, I add my voice to the numerous voices across Nigeria and the world to call for the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on the basis of political solution and national healing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, are you now saying that this trial should be discontinued?
I am proposing there is no trial. He has been tried, and there is no outcome of it. The judge has adjourned his matter indefinitely. What does that mean? That they are tired of it. And yet, they couldn't convict him because he seemed to have not committed any
crime
known by Nigerian law.
Okay.
On that basis, on a quid pro quo, we are proposing that Nnamdi Kanu should be released unconditionally on the basis of political solution and national healing.
Okay, let's
bring
it back.
I'm coming.
Okay.
His behavior that day, how do you
rate it?
He is human, and I am not a judge. I don't want to discuss that.
Okay. So let's bring it back to Anambra State now. The governor of Anambra State, Governor Charles Chukwu.
Ilu wa niile
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie as Anambra the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Marshal Soludo sealed the Okija shrine, a particular shrine in Okija, because of allegations of aiding Yahoo boys and kidnapping and all of that. With all of these things that is going on between the government of Anambra State and the native doctors, what is your take on the matter, sir?
Idogachi outfit.
Yes, it is a welcome development. Okay. We commend the governor for Ohanaeze Ndigbo and the new Homeland Security law that has stipulated so many measures to prevent, mitigate, and contain insecurity in Anambra State. Okay. Yes, and I want to use this opportunity, in cognizance of the fact that this is an election year, to call on the Anambra politicians and non-politicians to come together. Let's all put hands on deck and support His Excellency Professor Chukwu Marshal Soludo for a better, stable, secured, and safe Anambra State. Udo ga-achị na Anambra ma anyị niile gbakọ aka ọnụ wete dị udo. Ndị agụ na-eche mba na asịlụsị places that are suspected to be aiding or abetting crime in Anambra State, we commend them. Because at times when you catch a thief or a criminal, you don't just punish him and abandon the sponsor or somebody who motivates him. Because without that sponsorship, without that motivation, that thing may not happen. Okay. So the people supporting them, sponsoring them, motivating them, they are also accomplices and they are guilty of the same crime. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So finally, the Tinubu administration, you see what is going on in the state. What is your rating for the administration?
Tinubu met a comatose economy, an economy in coma. And for me, on a personal note, he is doing his best to revive it. Okay. I am of the opinion and position that Nigerians should come together and support him for a better Nigerian state that shall be the pride of the black nation. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Remind us of your names again, sir.
Mazi Chima Okpalaeziokwu.
Thank you so much.
President Ohanaeze Ndigbo Anambra State.
Thank you so much, sir.
Those that are in crime, not traditional practice. Because traditional practice, they are not fetish. They practice what they know. Okay. But these people inculcate other issues to dupe people. Yeah. I mean, you cannot tolerate.
So, are you in support of that they should register?
Everybody should register. Even the shop owners are registering their businesses. They are in business. Let them register it so that we will know their particulars. If you did not perform well, the law will fetch you. So I'm in support of whatever the government is doing to curb this ugly menace, because people are dying every day without cause. So, and the people that are perpetrating this evil are charlatans, hoodlums. I mean, people that lost nothing in the society. Okay. I mean, it's high time.
So, the issue of Agune Shemba the outfit, the security outfit, or we should call it now Udogachi security outfit. A lot of people are testifying to the good works, the impact they've created in a short period of time. But at the same time, IPOB saying that yes, they are with the governor, but at the same time, they condemned the killing of innocent people at Urumba. You know, so what is your take?
Really, people that will go and hide themselves where criminals are hiding are criminals also.
Okay.
So I don't see why some innocent people will go and mingle with criminals in the forest. So the IPOB, I have not seen any. What is their concern about the bush? We are maybe Biafran. If you understand me, so, but I cannot come and harm people and say that I'm looking for independence while it is not right. When the independence will be ripe, we know our people are vying for House of Representatives, House of Senate, and we cannot stop them. If you did not stop them, it means you still belong to Nigeria. Yeah. Then why should all the hoodlums go and start perpetrating evil, disturbing people in the name of IPOB? Okay. In fact, it is a scam that IPOB issue. Practicing cannibalism. They are not supposed to be in the society because they are practicing treasonable felony. Yes. Okay. It is not that is not the way to agitate for freedom. Okay. If you want freedom, you have to write. You have to prepare constructive criticism, not to kill your fellow Igbo man. Say you are agitating for Biafra. No, I don't support such idea, but I support Biafra to come because we are being marginalized. Okay. Yes. So Nnamdi Kanu now rejecting Justice Nyako. What does he tell? Really, in the Temple of Justice in Nigeria, there is no truth. So Nnamdi Kanu has right to his opinion because he has not seen any truth in whatever they are doing.
But how do you see his behavior in the court?
We may like him to soften a bit so that he will be released. Then there will be peace in the land. It will not stop his movement. You understand me? So I will advise him to mellow down because Nigeria is already corrupt. Yes. Mellowing down does not mean that he will stop what he's fighting for, but he will mellow down for him to be released and get freedom. Then struggle continues. Yes. Okay. That is my take.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us. Remind the audience of your names again, sir.
Honorable Ohanaeze Ndigbo. I am a government consultant and, in fact, an arbitrator. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. That's why you spoke well.
Yes.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.